In this video, you will learn about a powerful technique called cherry picking in Git that will transform the way you work with Git. What do you mean by cherry pick? In simple words, it means selecting and adding specific commits or changes from one branch to another branch. So just imagine this scenario where you and your teammates are working on same project and you stumble upon a bug that needs immediate attention. But just hold on. Your teammate Viraj has already fixed that bug in his branch. Here is where cherry picking helps you out. Now instead of merging the entire branch of Viraj, cherry picking empowers you to selectively pluck Viraj's commit containing the bug fix and seamlessly integrate it into your own branch. It's like having a recipe book where you handpick the tastiest ingredients to create a masterpiece from it. So what can you do with cherry picking? With cherry picking, you can easily include any bug fixes, essential features, or improvement in your own branch without having any need to merge the entire branch. Now that you have learned about what is cherry picking, let's see how does cherry picking works in Git. Cherry picking in Git is actually a straightforward process. It allows you to choose specific commits from one branch and apply them to another. It's like handpicking the changes you want and merging them into your branch. So simple. So let's see how exactly to use cherry pick in Git Bash. First of all, let's create a Git repository. That is, let's create a separate folder named Cherry Test on desktop. Then let's move inside the directory. Then let's create two branches and call them source and target. This command will create branch name as source. Similarly, this will create a branch name as target. Now let's switch to source branch first and perform some commits in it. So now we are making two commits in source branch. This command will create a file.txt. You can check out manually. And then let's add this file to staging area. Let's commit it. Now let's follow the same thing for next commit. By this, you are just adding a content called commit to in the same file. You can check this out. After updating the content, let's add this file to staging area. And commit this. If you want, you can check in source branch how many commits you have made by this command. Let's switch back to target branch. Now here is something to note. When you directly use git switch and branch name, it will not get switched to it until and unless you have some commits in that particular branch. As you know, git branch lists out branches, but if you don't have any commits inside it, even that command will not work. And same goes with git init command. So let's switch to target using this command. And even in this target branch, let's make two commits like we have created for source branch. By this, commit 3 content will get added to the same file. Let's add this file to staging area. And let's commit it. Alright, let's perform one more commit, but this time I will do it faster. It's time to cherry pick a specific commit from target branch to source branch. Here you can see we are able to use git switch as there are some commits inside it. And now here we need to add commit hash of that commit which we want to pick. So how do we get it? For that, let's switch back to target branch and get its commit hash. And let's first perform git log to get the actual hash of the commit. Let's copy commit3 hash and move back to source. You can see in source branch, we have just 2 commits with content commit1 and commit2. Now that you are working on a same file, and just imagine you need to fix a bug, but it is present in target branch. Like just imagine for now, writing commit3 in your source branch will fix out your error. You just want commit3 content in source branch. For that, you have 2 options. Instead, you merge the whole target branch or just pick commit3 content in source branch. So to pick that content in source branch, perform cherry pick from target to source. That is, we are cherry picking commit3 from target to source branch. And here we will be adding commit3 hash. So let's paste it. And now after cherry picking, you can check how many commit does source branch has. So that's it. We have got the commit3 content in our source branch without merging the whole target branch. Here if you get any conflicts after using cherry pick command, Git will pause the cherry picking process. Then you can just resolve the conflicts, and after resolving all the conflicts, just use this command. And that's it. You have successfully performed cherry picking. You have just taken a specific commit from target branch to source branch instead of merging the whole target branch. So wasn't that kind of awesome thing? Alright, let's see, can you cherry pick multiple commits at once? Yes, you can. In cherry pick command, just add commit hash by entering spaces between them, like this. Or the other method, you can just specify start and end range of commit hash, like this. Can you undo cherry picking? Yes, you can do it with the help of cherry pick abort command. Running this command will discard the cherry pick changes and restore your repository to the state it was in before the cherry pick was initiated. Also remember, if there are any conflicts that arouse during the cherry picking process will also be reverted. And the most important thing to note while undoing this process is this git cherry pick abort command should be executed while you are in the middle of cherry pick operation. If you have already completed the cherry pick and created the new commit, you would need to use other git commands like git reset or git revert to undo the changes introduced by cherry pick commit. And that's it. Lastly, remember to choose commit wisely, handle conflicts with care, and thoroughly test your code. You will leverage the power of cherry picking to enhance collaboration, maintain code integrity, and unlock new levels of efficiency. Thanks for watching this video and taking out your time. If you learned something from this video, just give a like and share it with your friends. And if possible, don't forget to subscribe this channel for more educational content. As usual, have a great day. Bye.